So after writing the given data, next what we can use by using this given data, what are the things we can find we should do now. So till now we have not seen any venturimeter which is vertical. So except that HF we have taken. So in the problems we are seeing now only, right? So pressure difference we have written up to PB minus PA which is given. So next term you need to write difference of pressure heads. So difference of pressure heads is denoted by H. So H, this value is H. So H equal to PB minus PA by rho g. So PB minus PA by rho g. So PB minus PA value directly as given, that is 0.981 into 10 power 4. By here, what is density? Which type of fluid is flowing here? Oil is flowing. So first we need to calculate the density also in the given data. So density is equals to 0.8 into 1000, 800. Please write down the term in the given data. So the density of oil is given. So right here, density of oil is equals to 0.8. Sorry, specific gravity of oil is 0.8. So density of oil, rho equal to 800 Newton per meter cube. Sorry, 800 kg per meter cube. Please write in the given data. Right. So after that, you can write this difference of pressure heads PB minus PA by rho g equal to 0.981 into 10 power 4 by density of oil is 800 into 9.81 is equals to H value you'll get in meters. So what is this value?
1.25.
1.25 meter. Okay. So after getting this pressure head difference, next you need to apply the Bernoulli's equation for this vertical pipe. So apply the Bernoulli's equation at the section A and B, and we are taking the reference as at section B. If you see the problem, B is at the bottom, so we are taking the reference at B. So at B, Z value becomes 0, and at A, the Z value becomes 2 meters. So that's why we are taking the reference as datum line at B point. Okay. Right. So by applying the Bernoulli's equation, what you get? PA by rho g plus VA square by 2g plus ZA is equals to PB by rho g plus VP square by 2g plus ZB. Okay. So from this, what you're taking? PA minus PP value we are taking. But because we have already PA minus PP value, so that's why we are taking PA minus PP by rho g plus ZA minus ZB equal to the velocity terms. Okay. So substitute the values of PA by rho g, PA minus PB by rho g. So we have here 1.25. So it is PA minus PB by rho g. What you will get? Minus 1.25 minus 1.25 plus what is the value of ZA? ZA value. From the diagram you can see. Yes, anybody? What is the value of ZA? Two. Yes, ZA is 2 meter minus ZB.
Zero.
ZB is 0. So totally what you will get this value VB square minus 2 minus 1.25, that is 0.75 meter. Okay, now let us take this as first equation. Because here no velocities are given, we need to find velocities by using the continuity equation. So now we apply the continuity equation at both the sections VA and VB, sorry, A and B. So we know Q equal to VA, A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. So that in terms of AA and VA we are taken here. So from this, if you see, you'll get VB, nothing but V2 is equals to A1 V1 by A2. V2 equal to A1 V1 by A2. So already we have areas. So you'll get VB is equals to some value into VA. So what is the value of this AA by AB you need to calculate. So area of A already we have calculated 0.0201 divided by this value. So divide these two, AA by AB. So AA by AB, if you divide, you'll get some number. How much?
3.98.
3.9. It is almost equal to 4. Okay, because already points we are taking in three digits. So let us take it as 4 VA. It will be easy for calculation. So VB equal to AA by AA. If you do, you'll get 4 times of VA. So now substitute this VB is equals to 4 VA in the equation 1. In terms of VA, you'll get a value. Okay, so now you'll get VA equal to something from the equation 1 when you substitute VB equal to 4 times of VA. So here it becomes 16 VA square minus VA square by 2G. 16 VA square minus VA square by 2G, that is nothing but 15 VA square by 2G equal to 0.75 meter. Okay, so after substituting this value here, sorry, here 4. So what VA value you'll get, you can tell to me, or you want me to calculate by substitution? Okay, please slowly you do this.
0.99.
Okay, so 0.99 meters per second is VA. Similarly, you can find VB, that is 4 times of VA. Next, after getting VP or VA, anything, we can find discharge. So Q is equals to, therefore, next term, what you will get is rate of flow. Q is equals to VA into AA, area into velocity, area of A into velocity at A. So next, rate of flow. Rate of flow, Q is equals to A suffix A into V suffix A, area into velocity. So area of A already we have. Yes. Tell Anil.
Slide change.
Slide, okay. I'm waiting for others to copy. Shall I change the slide?
Okay.
Yes, anybody who need to time for copying this, or you can inform me, or I'll say change the slide.
1 minute, sir.
That's why I'm waiting. Okay.
Completed, sir.
So after getting VA, already A is there, you need to find discharge. So the rate of discharge Q is equals to VA into AA. So velocity at A we have found out, that is 0.99 meter per second, into area at A also we have found out already. So please substitute these values VA into AA to find discharge Q is equals to discharge Q is equals to 0.99 into 0.99 into A value is 0.020.
0.0198. 0.0198, sir.
198 meter cube per second. Okay, so this is the rate of discharge or discharge in the flow of the oil. Next, what he asked us to find is X value. So he also asked us to calculate the difference of level of mercury in the two limbs of U-tube. Since already I said, if the pipe is horizontal, we don't get these terms of Z1 and Z2 in calculation of H. So for the calculation of H, always we are taking P1 by rho G minus P2 by rho G if it is horizontal pipe. So if it is a vertical pipe or inclined pipe, you'll get this term plus Z1 plus Z2. So H equal to, so difference of level of mercury in U-tube. For calculating this, first we are calculating H value. So pressure head difference. So difference pressure head difference H equal to P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus of P2 by rho g plus Z2 is also equal to X into SH by S naught minus 1. So this I think I have shown you already case 1, case 2, case 3. This is the case 3 one, inclined venturimeter or vertical venturimeter. So already we have P1 by rho g. Sorry, we have to write PA here. One second. So PA by rho g minus PB by rho g. So PA by rho g minus PB by rho g value we have already, that is minus 1.25. Okay, plus Z1 is 2. Z2 is 0. So if you substitute that values, you'll get H equal to 0.75. I think already I calculated H value. Okay, so H equal to 1 minus 1.25 plus 2 minus 0 equal to 0.75. So now use this H equal to this condition, H equal to X into SH by S naught minus 1. So what is SH? SH is nothing but fluid, manometric fluid. If it is mercury, it is heavier than the oil, so it is SH. So SH is 13.6 by SO is the specific gravity of flowing fluid oil here. So that is 0.8 minus 1. So from this you can find X equal to
0.0468. 0468.
0.0468 meter. So that you can write in centimeter also. X equal to 4.68 centimeter. What is this? This is difference of this is the difference of mercury level, that is X equal to 4.68 centimeter. So many students, you are joining very late. Now the strength is 50. Previously it was only 41, 47. Late comers, those who have joined, I won't give attendance because already I have taken. Okay, so next column, I think we have only 5 minutes or 7 minutes time is there. We'll write the question. Then we'll solve that in the next class, or we'll try to do half of it. Yes, if you have copied this, please inform me. We'll go for the next question. Pritam, you have joined just now. 3B8.
Yes, sir.
Why you have joined now?
Sir, actually power was not there, so that is why I was joined late.
The same reason, network issue, power was not there. So anyway, I'm not going to give you any attendance today. You can join the next class. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Right. And one more important thing, I have uploaded all the notes of first unit in your code now. Even the slides I have given, material notes I have given, and recordings of this Zoom, what the classes we have taken, that also I have given in that. Please check everything. Okay, so if you have missed any classes of the first unit, you can see all the thing recordings in that. You can go through that, please. I think everybody has your account, CodeNow accounts. If anybody is not having it, you can inform us. Yes, anybody without CodeNow account? Lateral entry students. Nobody, right? Okay, shall we go for the next column?
Yes, sir.
Okay, only anyway 5 minutes.